After 4 years of farming in these greenhouses, strong winds destroyed the papers and repair is necessary. Using ultraviolet paper to prevent extreme heat into the greenhouse and maintain the moisture and the right temperatures for the specific crop being grown within the specific greenhouses. This enables proper growth of the crops, high quality and high yields. Trenches will prevent the flooding of the open fields
that we've been harvesting water into, and now we want to extend it into the other side so that we can get more water, all that gets from the greenhouses and the ditches, so that we can use it during the dry seasons.
After the repairs, we've started preparing the greenhouses for planting.